Captain's log. Day 1. The fleet is preparing for battle. The enemy is out there, hidden. We are not worried. We have a plan. For the last 5 hours, our top strategists have analyzed enemy movements, calculated probabilities, and mapped out the perfect attack. Every cannon is loaded, every shot precisely aimed. Then, fire! We unleash our entire arsenal in one massive, glorious strike. Silence. Then a messenger arrives. Sir, we hit absolutely nothing. Turns out the enemy wasn't where we expected. Meanwhile, on the other side of the sea, another fleet takes a slightly different approach. Instead of one big perfect plan, they fire a shot, get feedback, adjust, and fire again. With every step, their aim improves, until they've sunk the entire fleet. Now, I'm not a fan of war, but this is a scene from the old board game Battleships, where each of 2 players have their fleet, and then your goal is to sink the fleet of the enemy. And this old board game can wonderfully be used in agile trainings and leadership trainings to demonstrate the difference between big upfront planning and fast feedback loops with frequent adaptation. I got this game from Shakebox, and now I want to introduce it to you so you can play it with your participants.